Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Outlook version and mailbox type because the steps differ for Exchange versus POP. Once done, choose Manual Archive or Auto Archive. Create or pick a destination. PSD file and note its path so you won't lose data. You should back up your mailbox first and check large folders to prioritize. Now open File Options, advance to move to Archiving Controls. This gets you into the exact settings to change next. You now configure the archive itself. Select Auto Archive if you want automation, or pick Manual for one-time migration. Set the frequency to balance storage and access. Then choose which folders to archive and set the age threshold so only old items move. Point Outlook to the PSD destination you prepared and set a size limit or enable encryption if required. Make sure to apply settings to subfolders when needed, because folder-level control prevents accidental data moves. You finish by running the archive or letting Auto Archive execute, then confirm items appear in the PSD and that folder counts match. Compact the PSD to reclaim space and allow Outlook to reindex for search performance. Make sure indexing completes. If the archive fails, first check file permissions and whether the PSD path is accessible, then review mailbox retention policies or server-side rules. One quick troubleshooting tip: move the PSD locally, retry and test. Network paths often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.